Hi, I'm Amy Koranek, a Sculpey brand ambassador. Let's take a look at Sculpey Mold Maker. This is Sculpey Mold Maker and is the best way to get reusable molds for fine detail replication. You can either make molds of a found item or of a polymer clay item that you have created. In this case, I'm going to make a mold of this metal button. Mold Maker is completely compatible with polymer clay. Mold Maker won't harden until you bake it, so it gives you an extended working time. It doesn't shrink during baking, so you can always count on getting the same size duplicated pieces. And after baking, it's flexible for easy demolding. So I have a piece of conditioned Mold Maker. You condition it just like you do polymer clay. That is larger than the button that I want to mold. Check to make sure that the diameter of my piece is compatible with the button. First, we're going to apply a release. I like to apply my release, which is cornstarch, to the button itself because it has the most nooks and crannies and details. Then remove as much cornstarch as you can back into your vessel with a soft brush. You can also feel free to apply a cornstarch release to the surface of the Mold Maker. Just make sure it's very smooth. Next, we're ready to mold the button. I'll just grab it by the shank and push straight down. Bake on oven-proof glass or a metal surface at 285 for 20 minutes per 1/4 inch of thickness. After baking, the mold is permanent and flexible and ready to use. I have a conditioned piece of peacock pearl here that's ready to go into the mold. This time I'm going to dust the mold with the cornstarch because it is the one with all the details. Again, you want to tip off as much of that cornstarch as you can. Using hand pressure, push down as much as you can to fill all the little cracks and crevices. In a molded piece like this, you can overfill the mold to make a thick piece with a flat back, or you could shave the excess clay away to make it thinner. Once you're happy with your molded thickness, go ahead and flex the mold and peel the clay out. Now this duplicated piece is ready to be baked following the manufacturer's instructions for that brand of clay, and the mold is ready to be used over and over again to make as many duplicates as you wish.